As the number of COVID-19 cases continues to slowly decline, hospital officials say there's still a stress on the healthcare systems. They say the vast majority of COVID patients admitted are unvaccinated. Kayla Green joins us live now from Strong Memorial Hospital. Kayla, what else did they say here?
Well, John, hospital officials say the average age of COVID patients being admitted to the hospital is now younger, and they say this is directly related to vaccination. URMC Chief Medical Officer Dr. Michael Apostolakis says the vast majority of people over 70 are vaccinated, and now they're seeing people in the 40 to 60 age range being admitted. He says there's about 100 COVID patients across the URMC system, which is about 10% of inpatient beds. At its peak, URMC had 400 COVID patients. Dr. Apostolakis says pre-pandemic, URMC was 105% full with non-COVID illness, and now they're at 100% again, plus the 10% of COVID patients leaving the hospital stressed. Rochester Regional Health currently has 55 COVID patients across the system, down 10 to 15% from its peak. RRH Chief Medical Officer Dr. Robert Mayo says it's unvaccinated people being admitted, with the few exceptions of breakthrough infections in vaccinated people. He says these are discovered during routine checkups, and the vaccinated patients are either asymptomatic or have mild symptoms. Dr. Apostolakis says the current modeling shows a slow decline of COVID hospital admissions over the next few weeks to months, but he says there's something we can do to change that.
It doesn't show, at least at this point, a spike, but a slow decline over weeks to months. But we don't see it going away, the number of admissions, in the near future. The modeling assumes the same rate of vaccination. And if we as a community could pick up the rate of vaccination, it would cause the model to shift and less patients would be admitted to the hospital.
He also says 80% of URMC staff are vaccinated, and Dr. Mayo says 70% of Rochester regional staff are vaccinated. Both say the efforts to get more staff vaccinated are continuing. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you.